Hey, junior designer, come here. I have a name, you know? Sure you do. I have a special task for you today, and I believe you're finally ready. Oh wow, I wasn't really Go fetch me a coffee, because I need to speak to these guys about something really important. Here we go again. Okay, now that he's gone, I can tell you the truth. UX is not important. I mean, like, who really cares about the users? There is something a lot more important that you should care about. Me. That's why I'm proposing to switch the process from UX to XDX. And yes, you guessed it. That means Experienced Designer Experience. That's me. That's my experience, and it's really important. XDX is all about making my experience awesome. And it comes with just 3 simple steps. Step 1. I want to be paid to sit and think. Ideating. I can also talk sometimes, that's fine. But I'm never going to use a design tool and actually design. I have juniors for that. Step 2. The product needs to be built in a way that showcases my genius. This one is really important. Step 3. I get paid handsomely for all the hours I spend ideating, thinking, contemplating, and yeah, well, at the end somebody can take some crayons and color a UI on top of it, I don't care. Our group of super experienced designers need a proper experience for them. That's why I'm proposing XDX, and if you're a senior designer like me, you should be a proud member of this new organization. Now, obviously XDX is not for everyone, so in order to join you'll have to... I got you your coffee. Robusta. Well, I guess you can't do anything right. I wish I picked a different job.